Holy crap. That is a lot steeper than I was expecting. Yeah, she's bumpy and slippery. Pretty awesome though. Man, every trail I go down, a couple of big old deer there, every trail I go up just turns into this insane hill climb. Man, this area around here is just bananas. I can't wait to explore this a bit. This is really slippery. This might be a problem getting back down. When I was out in the snow on this thing the other day, I had basically 0 PSI in the tires, and right now I pumped them up to 15. I was not expecting to be in snow today, so let's try getting down there. Oh yeah, she's slippery. I think we'll be okay though. A couple of steep spots up ahead might be a bit of a problem, but we'll see. Woo! Oh my goodness. Icy. Ice, baby. Stalled, probably needs a bit more idle. Oh boy, I am loving these trails, man. I've been off dirt bikes for, let's see, probably a good 14, 15 years, something like that, since I've had one. I have spent a lot of time on dirt bikes as a young man, so I have a fairly reasonable but also pretty average skill set. But I'm really looking to kind of push my boundaries a little bit. I'd like to get a lot better at enduro and single track. That wasn't really something that was around much where I grew up. It was mostly gravel roads, gravel pits, some trails, but that was basically just grown in gravel roads that, you know, basically looked like creek beds because there's so much rain where I came from. And I've done quite a bit of motocross too, so I've got like some decent bike skills, but a lot of this stuff gets over my head really quick. Like some of these hills we've been on today, you know, if it was just like a big hill in a sand pit or a gravel pit, you know, where you get a big run up and drive up it, that's one thing. But muddy conditions and little rock ledges sort of bouncing you around and stuff, there's a lot of skills that I am looking to pick up on my dirt bike.